The aliens are invading. Ah! The aliens are invading. Ah! Wait a minute, they already have. Scientists have always been confused about the octopus and what its biological origins are. The octopus is considered to be one of the most intelligent invertebrates. The one thing that can be pointed to as an ancestor is the nautilus, which is not exactly close to the octopus. The octopus just somewhat appeared on the biological timeline 296 million years ago, which is around the time of the Cambrian explosion, the longest recorded explosion of diverse life on the geological timescale. Scientists suggest that the octopus was perhaps brought here by a space rock, and that increase in diversity of life in the Cambrian explosion could have also been influenced by the arrival of alien life. The strange claims were made in a report called The Cause of the Cambrian Explosion, Terrestrial or Cosmic, which was co-authored by a group of 33 scientists. The paper suggests that the reason for a sudden flourishing of life during the Cambrian era lies in the stars as a result of the Earth being bombarded by a cloud of organic molecules.